On today's video, I'll be showing you how to rekey a Kwikset Smartkey set. Now, I was over here rekeying a bunch of locks. You can see here, I rekeyed everything successfully, but on this one, I pulled the key too early, and now the key doesn't want to work. So, what I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to trash the old keys that came with it, because I'm trying to rekey it to one key that matches all these locks. So here I'll be showing you a quick and simple video, just how to rekey it. It's simple, easy to follow, and I'll just go step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is look on the back of the cylinder. You see here there's 3 different clips you'll have to pull. You got this metal spring right here that goes over to the top, right there. Then you have an O-ring, and you have the little black clip that comes out. So first we'll be removing the spring. Take a tool. You can pretty much use anything. Pretty much just pops it up like that. Slides right out. Once you slide that out, you can remove the little black clip. Basically, you just need a tool. You need something that pushes it up. Once you push it up, basically you just slide that out as well. You can see here, it's the clip. Then you have this little O-ring that slides out. Pull the stem out. Once you pull the stem out, you can go ahead and start working it into your new Rekey re-cylinder tool. So here, what you'll do is you'll see this arrow. See the arrow? You want to line that up with the little symbol that looks like a key cylinder, where you put the key in the rekey right there. You slide the cylinder inside. Once you slide the cylinder inside, it's not going to go in all the way. Just make sure it's in there, but it is going to stick out just a little bit, and that's fine. That's the way it's designed. Push that in. Now what you'll do next is you'll turn your cylinder so that both arrows meet. You'll see both arrows meeting right there. Once you do that, you'll take the smart key, slide the smart key in, you hear a click. That was the click. Pull the key out. Take the key that you want to use and slide it into the cylinder. This is the tricky part. Now what you'll want to do is, once you put the new key in, you'll slowly jiggle it so that you can pull the key in the cylinder out. Just do it one swift move. Don't move the rekey cylinder, and just slide it out. Once you slide it out, you'll look here on the side, and you'll wait till it lines up. You'll see a little line right there. You see it lined up? Pull your key out. Once you finish, you'll want to go ahead and assemble the lock together. Basically put the cylinder back in. Put the spring back on. It'll just slide right in place. Put your O-ring on. Put your stem. Put your black clip back on. Just put a little force, it'll slide right in there. Okay, let's slide right in there. Then you'll take your key that you rekeyed it to, and test it out, just to make sure that it works. You can see it's working fine. That's how you rekey a Kwikset Smartkey using the rekey cylinder. Thanks for watching.